Now, this is a traditional method of cooking. I have made one of the most beautiful, one of the not most beautiful, what we can say, a stove where this is the handle, where this is not actually the handle, this is the pathway to give the oil. And here you can see one bottle lid is kept, and above there is oil and some cotton which is dipped in the oil, and fire is given to it. Now we will place the pot here and it will work. Now you can see it is surrounded from all the sides, so no wind will come and sufficient heat will be given to the water molecules, and evaporation will take place according to that. After a few minutes I will show you the next part. So the rice is cooked finally, you can see here. Please like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you for watching.